Hi everyone, this is Divya. I have completed my B.Tech in Enquiries Institute of Technology. I have joined Qspiders JQ in the month of December 2024 in order to upgrade my skills. The trainers and HR ma'am were very helpful in upgrading my skills like SQL or Java automation, etc. And they were regularly conducting mock interviews, presentations, and they were even conducting assessments on weekly basis in order to test us, and presentations were very helpful to showcase our skills in doing our interviews. They encouraged us and they gave us a support, to attend the interview and present our skills. That's all. Thank you.